Namaste, welcome to Brinda's Healthy Lifestyle. Today let me show you a yummy healthy breakfast where we can serve for all age groups. So you see here idli batter I have taken here. I have already shared the millet idli batter. Please do check it out in the link which I have shared it in the description. So into this I am going to add bit of homemade turmeric powder, almost a tablespoon of jeera, and then let me add few onion and one chopped green chilli. If you want you can increase or decrease as per your taste, I mean green chilli or onions. Then let me add grated carrot. I just want to make it colorful, this uttappam. It is also called as uttappam or vegetable dosa or millet dosa, whatever it is. Then I am going to add here cabbage, chopped cabbage. You make sure that you chop cabbage and then wash it. Then I am going to add coriander leaves. I just prefer to add more greenish to my dishes. So I have added bit more. You can even decrease or increase as per your taste. Then let me add pink Himalayan salt. I have already added the salt in my batter previously while grinding itself. So here I am adding only for vegetables. So now finally we will add some sprouted methi seeds. Just I am adding here almost just some 10 to 15 sprouted methi seeds, that's all. Then just give a nice mix to all these ingredients. Mix it well so that all ingredients get mixed well and which gives a nice taste. So already I have shared you that I have used little millets in this dosa batter, I mean idli batter, which has high fiber. So according to your consistency you can add water. I have added just almost half cup of water to make it bit watery. You can even increase your water consistency. So just keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. After that just switch on the stove and place a iron tawa, and I have greased it with coconut oil. You can even use some groundnut oil or gingerly oil as per your taste. Just put a ladder of batter here and just keep on spreading it, and then close it with the lid for almost some 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cook on a low flame. Then once you open, just add some almost half teaspoon of coconut oil. You can even change your oil as per your taste. I have said you previously itself. Now you can just flip it off this uttappam or dosa. You see how nicely we can flip it off, how nice color it is. So just flip it off and wait for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then this dosa will be ready to serve. You see how nice it is. Just flip it off and take it to a serving plate. Now let me say you another recipe with the same batter. This is known as paddu or whatever it is. The same batter I am going to use for this. I am not going to add any other ingredients. I have just greased it with coconut oil, just a drop of coconut oil, and then I am going to fill this with the same batter which I have prepared. So then close it with the lid for another 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure that you are keeping your flame on low flame. Then flip it off and you can take it to serving bowl. Now let us see the salad. Here I have taken a cup of cucumber slices, then half a cup of carrot, and then let me add pink Himalayan salt, 2 pinches of pink Himalayan salt, and freshly crushed 2 to 3 peppers. Then let me add apple cider vinegar. As we know the benefits of apple cider vinegar, it is very good healthy, and which is very useful for hair, skin and health also. Just give a nice mix to this salad and then just garnish with few coriander leaves. Finally we are adding coriander leaves. Then just give a nice mix and take it to serving bowl. Make sure that you are starting your day with one or the other salad, so that you feel healthy throughout your day and throughout your life. Salad is very good and healthy also. So once we take it to serving bowl, now salad is also ready. Our dosa and paddu or uttapam, everything is ready. So let us see the dish. You see how nice it is. Our onion uttapam or vegetable uttapam, paddu and salad. Thank you.